Welcome to this Harmony 4-bedroom, fully upgraded. It is on the market for rent and potentially, if the right offer, they will also accept a sale. So all the details are below in this description of this video. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss videos like this one again. And the villas, when they're coming on the market these days, are going within days. We're talking under 5 days. So if you're watching this video and it's 1 month on, I'm absolutely sure this property will be gone. And more to the point, the prices will be higher. So get in touch the minute you're interested and let's have a chat and make sure you don't miss out next. So let's have a chat and have a look through this Harmony 4-bedroom villa. So this is the front door here, and then we walk in, as I always do, because it's a lot easier for you just to see. So as we walk in, we've got 1 bedroom upstairs and 3 bedrooms downstairs. So as we walk in, we've got the ground floor bedroom, and here we have outside, well, we've basically got the downstairs bedroom. All the wardrobes are built in, so really that space is for the bed. And here's your bathrooms. So they've got the marble there, really nice finish. And then, sorry, we haven't got any lights in this villa because the electricity isn't switched on, but this is the main downstairs powder room. Again, that's all upgraded as well, that marble, okay? So that was the front door, and then we have this rather nice, hello, little like downstairs mirror. By the way, that is so important. Like, we all like to make sure we look good before we walk out of the front door, right? And there's not many houses that have that. So well done, Majid Al Futtaim. And then we walk into, so there we go, that's where we just walked through the front door. And this is upstairs, and this is your open plan living and dining room. Okay, so this particular villa has a closed kitchen. So closed means it's not open plan, obviously. So some people like closed, others prefer it open. So that is the choice on this one. I'm actually just trying to work out, without breaking my nails, how do I get outside? Oh, 1 sec. Here we go. No nails broken in this video production. Okay, so here is the garden. Okay, so as always, you get a garden where you are in charge of your landscaping, and that goes all the way around to the front of the house. And people, I mean, there's ample room in here to put a swimming pool. By the way, this is pretty hot out here right now. Like, you can't see the heat or feel it on this video, but I would say the temperature out here is about 38 degrees Celsius, so it is hot. And that is down to the garage, the parking area of 2 cars. This one doesn't have a garden suite, so some villas in Harmony will have the garden suite, which is that extra room for a kitchen outside or family room, etc. So let's go back and have a little walk into the kitchen. So you can come through the back door there. This is your kitchen. And you've got all the appliances in. So it's a Siemens, that's good brand. You should also have here somewhere, here it is. Here is the dishwasher, again it's Siemens. And you will have the built-in fridge. Oh, I'm just gonna sit in there, it's nice and cool. Well, actually, how can that be on if the electricity's on? You know, it's cool from before, but it was definitely not cool. And, you know, nice little touches. Again, these are the extras, you know, like good shelving there. So for those of you watching, so just, it's always good to have a look how they do the shelving here. Okay, so that is your kitchen. So you walk in through the gate. So we have a maid's room for the nanny or the cleaner or the maid, as we call it in this part of the world. So that means that they can be completely independent. They don't have to come in the house to go out to their house. This is where you would put the washing machine and dryer. So the plumbing is there. That's back to the kitchen. And then this would be where the maid's room is. So that would fit their bed and storage. And then they'll have their bathroom as well with shower. Okay. So let's go on up and check out the upstairs. So I like the partition here as we're walking upstairs. So just to give you an idea, and some nice storage shelving there, and as we come upstairs, so there's 3 bedrooms upstairs and this nice upstairs family room, office, TV room, games room, whatever you want to do with it. Here's one of the bedrooms. exactly a carbon copy of the bedroom downstairs. You can just see out there. Again, all built-in wardrobes. Same again, upgraded bathroom. Sorry, the toilet's behind the door. I'm not hiding the toilet, there we are. Okay, and then, by the way, you've got all the points there for TVs, etc. And that's going back downstairs. And then we have got in here another bedroom, again, with its bathroom. Built-in cupboards. And then this is out to the balcony on the back. And here is the back of the house, so you can see the neighbours, and obviously, you know, people have not yet got their keys, so predominantly it's still a very quiet area. So eventually the gardens will start getting finished and done. That goes into the master bedroom, so we'll just go back through this door. So you can see that. Here we have it. And the master bedroom has a really nice walk-in wardrobe in there. And nice vanity set to sit with, and you've got a double sink, and I love the tub, love the tubs in the Harmony Villas, and your walk-in shower, which is really nice. So good space here for the bathroom and the toilet. Okay, so that is your 4-bedroom villa here in Harmony, and I did show you, but just let me remind you again. So you can get out to that balcony through the door as well. So, if you want some more details about buying a property here in Harmony, in Tilal Al Ghaf, even in any of the developments in Dubai, and you want some honest, trusted advice, I've been living in Dubai for 13 years. I'm also a homeowner. My own home has gone up 100% return on the equity I've put in 9 months. I am actually, full disclosure, I am an owner of a property inside this community. But as you know from my YouTube channel, I do cover all of the top communities and developers in Dubai. Those are the communities and developers that I want to sell. We choose what we want to sell. You've got my details on the description below here, so you can check here, subscribe to my channel, reach out to me. If I'm in touch with you, you're more likely to know about the top offers much further and faster ahead of other people. And here, it pays to be fast, because as we're having launches, as we're having hot deals, as we're having, you know, sometimes a random distress deal comes, although there are less and less, but there are. You need to be getting those first, and if I don't have your details and I don't know you, how will I know to send you the details? So if you're not a resident yet, if you have no idea about Dubai, if you're thinking, do I need a bank account, do I need to come here on a plane to purchase? Remember, in COVID, we did all of this without ever having someone to get on a plane. So I can also help you with that. You don't need a bank account to buy a property in Dubai. You don't actually even have credit checks. So you just need a passport, a bank account, and the money. And we will help you do the rest. I have a full support team, lawyers, mortgage advisors, and legals when you choose to buy or sell with me, Lucy. Take care, and I'll see you very soon here in Dubai. Bye.